Thank you. Floor 7.
The elevator thanks you. Thank you.
Thank you. Floor 26.
How much?
700.
Okay. Well, how about it?
Thank you.
Well, let's get a view. Let's get a view.
Thank you. Floor 26.
Thank you. Floor 26. Oh, I think that's the bridge we went over, right?
Mm-hmm. You can see Buffalo over there.
Oh, yeah. And there's where, yeah, that is. There is Buffalo where we were. Oh, no. There's Buffalo where we were. And today we drove all the way over that island, over that bridge, and to here. And then we're gonna continue on to Toronto. What's up?
There's a view out there.
Oh, yeah. Actually, screw it. Yeah, let's go get the view out there. Oh, our elevator's here, though.
Well, we can do it both ways, I think.
Yeah, let's go this way. It's still asleep. You can still hear it saying, thank you. Thank you. Floor 20. Wait.
Thank you. Floor 26. Thank you. Floor 26.
That's just funny. Oh, look.
Clear the closing doors.
That's funny. It yells at you even on the screen, too. Thank you. Oh, really?
Thank you. Floor 25.
Thank you.
Going down.
Why does it say thank you every time? It's so polite.
Girl, you don't know how to slow down and step outside.
Look at the AC.
Now way. Now way.
You said that way?
Now way. That means thank you. I don't know what it is.
Thank you. Hotel Money. Landing 1.
Thank you. I'll step out. I'll get my cab view. Thank you.
Thank you. Pool and Salon. Landing 3. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Pool